Video J6 explains about nets. A net of a shape is when you have a 3D shape which has been opened out to show you all of the faces stuck together. So in theory you should be able to take this and fold it up to make one of these. The placing of each of the faces is important because it needs to be able to fold up. So for example, if you put one of the faces there, this group of 4 faces would not fold up to make a cube. So you must be very careful not to put the faces in the wrong place. This one folds up to make a square base pyramid. So we've got the square on the bottom, which becomes the base, and then we've got the 4 triangles on the edge which would fold up to join at this vertex up at the top. It's very difficult to visualise what some of these shapes will look like, but here is one being put together in somebody's mind. So we start with a net here. What we would do is fold up the 3 rectangles so that the 2 red lines would touch each other, and that would make like a triangular tube here. And then all you have to do is fold in the 2 triangular ends to make this one a triangular prism. Another example would be this one here. This makes a pentagonal prism. This face would fold upwards, and that one would fold upwards as well. And then all of these rectangles would move in to surround the pentagonal prism to give it its rectangles around the edge. Quite often there are questions all about the nets of a cube. It's a good idea to have a go at researching the different nets for making a cube. I believe there's about 11 different ways of laying out 6 squares to make a net of a cube. Just make sure that you never have 4 squares next to each other like this within the net, because you won't be able to fold those up.